Hi everyone, this is Piyush in front of you. So today we are going to do another lead code problem of the difficulty level is going to be in medium. So the problem is divide array into arrays with maximum difference. Okay. So the question is you are given an integer array nums of size n and a positive integer k. Means in this question we have given a two parameter. The first parameter is an array of nums and the second parameter is an integer which is denoted by k, and divide the array into one or more arrays of size 3 and satisfying the following condition. The first condition is each element of num should be exactly one array, and the second condition is the difference between two elements in one array is less than or equal to k. Means that each element of num should be equal to one array. Means the element which are in the nums array, it should be in another array. Means it should be in 2D array. We have to return in 2D array. And the second condition says that the difference between any two elements of an subarray of, as we can say that, yes, of an means this array, it should be equal to or less than 2. So then the condition will becomes true, and then we have to return the 2D array. Otherwise we will return an empty array. Okay. So for that reason, what we'll do, we'll first sort the array. Okay. Whenever you have to find a difference, so as you can see, we have to find the minimum difference. Okay. Which should be equal to the k. So for that reason, if we sort the elements, and then we'll find the difference between the first element and the third element of an inside array. Then if we check if it is equals to 2, then we'll return the 2D array. Otherwise we'll return an empty array. Okay. So the first thing what we'll do, we'll sort the array. So as you can see, when we'll sort the array, so we'll get an array of the same length 1, 1, 3, 3, 4, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. And then what we'll do, we'll make another 2D array because we have to return a 2D array, and the 2D array and the each element should be in another array of length 3. So that's why we have decided already nums dot length 3, and another length is going to be 3. Okay. And then we'll start with index 2. We'll find out we'll just difference between the last element and the first element, because the array is sorted. And if we find the difference between last element and the first element, then we'll get the maximum difference. And we have to find we don't want to find an each element difference, we have to find any element difference. So for that reason, we will find the maximum difference from the last element and from the first element. So as you can see here, nums I means nums 2 means it's targeting 3, and nums I minus 2 means targeting the first element. And the difference between both the elements is going to be 2, which is not greater than 2, means the condition will becomes false. And then we'll return another 2D array with array I by 3. Return a new int array I minus 2 means index 1, nums of index 1 means we'll put here 1, and then I minus 1, which we will put here another one. It's from the nums array, which is sorted, and nums I means 2, which is on 3 position. Then we return this, and then the loop will run again and again, and from this we'll find out all the elements of an array, which is another array. Okay, so let me run them. So as you can see, we have passes all the test cases, and let me submit it. Okay, we have submitted successfully. And if we talk about the time complexity and space complexity of this code, as you can see here, we have uses here arrays.short. Because we have uses arrays.short method, so for that reason, the time complexity will become big of n log n. And if we talk about the space complexity, so we had uses here and loop here, and for that reason, the space complexity will become linear, means big of n. So this is a question, and we'll meet in the next video with another question. So till that, thank you.